Did you know plants make their own food using sunlight and air? It's one of the most amazing secrets of nature. Today, we're explaining photosynthesis at 5 completely different levels. From curious kids to wise seniors, we'll uncover the magic behind how plants feed themselves. By the end, you'll see the natural world in a whole new way. Let's begin with the youngest explorers. Imagine a leaf as a tiny kitchen in the forest. Inside, plants cook food using sunlight, water, and air. They take in water from the soil and carbon dioxide from the air. Then, with the help of sunlight, they make sweet sugar to grow and stay strong. This sugar is like the plant's favorite snack. It helps them grow flowers, fruits, and even build new leaves. And guess what? One single leaf can make enough sugar in a day to feed the whole plant. But nature has even more secrets to reveal. Let's grow into the next level. Photosynthesis is the process that lets plants turn sunlight into food. It's how they survive and thrive in the wild. Plants take in carbon dioxide through tiny holes in their leaves called stomata. They also absorb water through their roots. In the leaf's chloroplasts, sunlight helps convert these ingredients into sugar and oxygen. This is the food that powers the plant. And here's a mind-blowing fact. Every year, plants produce over 2 billion tons of oxygen through this process. Now let's look at the science driving all of this. What really happens inside a leaf? Photosynthesis is the process by which plants convert sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide into glucose and oxygen using chlorophyll in their chloroplasts. This process evolved over millions of years as plants adapted to life on land. It allowed them to become the foundation of nearly every ecosystem. Studies have shown that a single square meter of forest can produce up to 1.8 kilograms of oxygen every day. Understanding photosynthesis is key to protecting our planet. It helps scientists develop better crops and fight climate change. But knowing the science is just the beginning. Let's explore how this affects our daily lives. Photosynthesis is the foundation of agriculture. It powers the food we eat and the oxygen we breathe. Scientists are using photosynthesis to develop new medicines and improve crop yields to feed a growing world. It also plays a key role in climate change. Plants absorb carbon dioxide, helping to reduce greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. Understanding photosynthesis helps us make better choices about food, energy, and the environment. And finally, the perspective that ties it all together. Let's look at the history of this incredible process. In the 1700s, scientists like Jan Ingenhousz discovered that plants produce oxygen in sunlight. This was a turning point in biology. Over time, our understanding of photosynthesis has grown. We now know it's one of the most important processes on Earth. Today, researchers are uncovering new details about how plants use light and how we can use this knowledge to help the planet. Photosynthesis is a story of life, adaptation, and the incredible ways nature sustains itself. And scientists still can't explain why it's so efficient. But one thing is clear. Without it, life as we know it wouldn't exist. From the tiniest leaf to the tallest tree, photosynthesis is the heartbeat of the natural world. Which level gave you a new way to see photosynthesis? Share your thoughts below.